Picture this. It's Tuesday afternoon. You're slammed at work, so you grab what's easy. A prepackaged sandwich from the corner store, a bag of chips, maybe a soda. 5 minutes later, you're done eating and back at your desk. But here's what you don't see. While you're answering emails, your body just entered a state of metabolic emergency. In the next 60 minutes, that convenient meal is going to trigger a cascade of reactions that affect your heart rate, your brain chemistry, the lining of your blood vessels, and even your DNA. I'm not being dramatic. This is what the science actually shows. And today, minute by minute, I'm walking you through exactly what happens inside your body during that first hour after eating ultra-processed food. The 60-minute metabolic emergency. Let's start the clock. Okay, so the food just hit your mouth, and the first effect isn't even in your bloodstream yet. It's in your behavior. Ultra-processed foods are engineered to be what scientists call hyperpalatable and pre-digested. What does that mean? It means industrial machines have already broken down the food structure for you. Real food, like a piece of steak, an apple, or a handful of almonds, has physical structure. Your teeth have to work, your jaw has to chew. But that bag of chips, that soft white bread, it basically dissolves on contact. And here's the wild part. Because of this, you eat ultra-processed food about 50% faster than real food. Studies show people consume about 48 calories per minute when eating processed foods, compared to just 31 calories per minute with whole foods. You know that feeling when you look down and the entire bag is just gone? That's not a lack of willpower. That's industrial food design working exactly as intended. You finish the entire meal before your brain even gets the signal that you're full. That signal takes about 20 minutes to kick in, but you've been eating for 5. The result? You've just consumed hundreds of extra calories without even realizing it, and we're only 15 minutes in. Now that food is hitting your digestive system, and this is where things get really chaotic. When you eat real food, like vegetables with protein or a balanced meal, your body has to work to digest it. It has to break down fiber, chew protein, and extract nutrients. That process burns calories. It's called the thermic effect of food. Your metabolism actually increases. But when you eat ultra-processed food, the factory already did most of that work for you. The food is pre-broken down and easy to absorb, so your body burns far less calories digesting it. Your metabolism stays in low power mode. In one well-known study, researchers gave people 2 diets. One consisted of whole foods. The other consisted of ultra-processed foods. Same calories, same macronutrients. The only difference was food quality. The group eating ultra-processed food gained weight within weeks. The whole food group lost weight. Same calories, opposite results, because your body wasn't doing the metabolic work. So what do we do about this? You don't have to be perfect, but you do need to be informed. Here are 3 simple science-backed strategies you can start using today. Number 1, the 5-gram rule. When you pick up a packaged food, check the added sugar. If a single serving has more than 5 grams, put it back. 5 grams, that's your line. Number 2, avoid the nasty 9. Check ingredient labels for these common additives: high fructose corn syrup, azodicarbonamide, monoglycerides, polysorbate 80, carrageenan, artificial colors, BHT or BHA, partially hydrogenated oils, and sodium benzoate. If the ingredient list sounds like a chemistry experiment, it's not really food, it's a formulation. And number 3, choose intact grains. Swap refined white flour for steel-cut oats, quinoa, farro, or stone-ground whole wheat. The fiber in intact grains acts like a shield. It protects you from rapid blood sugar spikes. Your body will thank you. Your energy stabilizes. Your digestion improves. Look, your body is an incredibly high-performance machine. It evolved over millions of years to process real, complex fuel, not industrial signals, not laboratory-engineered food-like products. When you give your cells the work they were meant to do, when you feed them real food, you feel it in your energy, in your mood, in your focus, in your long-term health. You deserve to feel good, and it starts with what you put on your plate. If this video opened your eyes, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And if you want more science-backed health strategies, subscribe and turn on notifications. I've got a full series coming on how to reclaim your metabolic health. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.